Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 brokers that you can buy ETFs with in Europe. First of all, I'm not paid by any of these brokers that I'm going to show you. Yes, you will find links in the description, but I'm just going to give you the subjective review of what I think about them. There are 3 things that we need to focus on. The first one is that if they offer Euro account. If you don't have Euro account on your broker, you're gonna pay a conversion fee and it's going to eat you up like time to time when you're going on a monthly basis, because you need to convert money to USD and then you need to buy the ETF, and this is like not good. So we are looking for Euro account based broker. The second thing that we're looking for is a security. Are they actually safe? Are they here for a long time? What will happen if they go bust? The second thing. And the third thing, we are looking for lowest fees or no fees at all to invest. And let's just start. The top 5, the 5-1 is the Etoro. First, I will start what I actually don't like about the Etoro. I don't like about Etoro is that you have actually withdrawal fee of $5 every time you withdraw money. The second thing I don't like about Etoro is that they have only USD account, so you always need to convert money and they have a high fee for conversion. So they have highest conversion fee on the market. Maybe you didn't know that, but it's like crazy information, right? Yes, they have stock and ETF for free, but the conversion fee is so high that also the fee would be high if they would have just ETF fee and not conversion fee. And this is the first thing what I don't recommend Etoro at all. Also, I don't like about Etoro is that it takes a long time to actually withdraw money. And that's huge too. Like, it's hard to withdraw money from Etoro. It takes like 1-2 weeks. And I don't particularly like the safety. It's not on the stock exchange. And yes, they have the protection of 20,000 that is similar to trading, to Degiro, but still, I wouldn't go with the Etoro in any means necessary. The top 4 is a First Trade. First Trade is a good broker and they have free stock and ETF trading by the game. I don't really like their application they have. The safety is alright, but it's mainly focused on the US market. So if you want to buy, again, ETF in Euro, I don't think that's a good choice. So I wouldn't recommend going to First Trade. I just added here that there is an option, there is a demo account that you can actually like trade. And yes, you can only trade on the US market. So if you want to buy ETF on Europe, you won't be able to do that. Now, let's go to the top 3 now. The Trading 212 is a platform that I'm using right now, and I will explain you why. So, this is Trading 212. Trading 212 got free stock and ETF trading. That's huge. So, I have a Vanguard here that I'm investing monthly on VVCE, VWCE. That's like, it's covering everything. And I'm thinking about QDVA, but it's like similar to this one, so I'm not going to do that. And when I'm going to click buy, look at this. You will enjoy it. I will like invest €2, review order, and you can see it right here. The commission is free, and this is huge. So I got Euro account. The Trading 212 got Euro account, so I don't pay any conversion fee. Now I'm investing monthly to VVCE, which is commission free. And for example, last month I tested it out. I invested €200. You can see it right here. Maybe you will see it in the down below right corner that I'm like, the value is same. And I'm going to invest monthly into it. Also, I got like risky ETF here. We can talk about the risky ETF if you want to talk about it. Like this is amazing ETF, but it's US. I would invest so much into it, by the way. Like the gaming is going to be huge in 5 years. Trust me in that. Like if you want to buy stocks, go with the gaming ones. It's going to be crazy. Now, okay, let's just continue. Trading 212, free ETF, free stocks that you can buy for long term. I'm using that. I really enjoy the platform. The application is good that you can invest, but I'm not able to open an account in Degiro because I'm from Slovakia. If I would be able to open the Degiro account, I would probably open the Degiro account. Now, so Trading 212 is a top 3 for me only because you can actually buy it for free. You don't pay any commission and you get Euro account, so I recommend buying the Euro ETFs. Now, let's go further. Degiro is actually, they got fee for stocks and ETF, but Every month you can do, like, look at this. There is also a list of ETFs which can be traded for free once a month, either one buy or sell transaction. Also, there is another thing that, okay, so I think it's also like this one is for free, the VWCE, that if you're gonna invest more than 1,000 euro in trade, so first trade for 200 euro in the particular month, for example, like this month, will be for free. And if tomorrow I would like to invest another 1,000 euro to ETF, the same one, it's going to be free too. So above 1,000, you're gonna pay no fee at all, and first trade that month is for free too. Again, Degiro is really good. It's secured platform. It's similar security as trading 212. Maybe people can say, oh my god, it's not true. Degiro is more safe. But if you look at this and compare the safety of trading 212 and Degiro, both of these are not listed on a stock exchange. Financial information is not publicly available on both of these platforms. And people are saying that Degiro is better than trading 212, but in what way? Like, I wanna hear that. And they also does not hold a banking license. And security, as you can see, yes, they have different security. There is a Dutch central bank as a regulator for Degiro. For trading 212, that's like Bulgarian Financial Supervision Commission. And they have also for United Kingdom and Germany, they have the Regulator of Financial Conduct Authority. So it's completely different. But still, you choose, you decide what you buy. Trading 212 is young, but I think they're going to be here for a long time. And what I would do now, if I would be up to 50,000 euro on investing on, I would choose trading 212 or Degiro for the lowest fees or no fees at all. That's up to you which one you choose. But if I would go up to 100,000 euro, I would go with the interactive brokers. But there are things which I particularly don't like about interactive brokers. The first one is inactivity fee. So if you have below $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay 20 bucks in commission. If you have above $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay $10 commission. If you have above 100K on your account, you're gonna pay no fee at all. That's huge, right? So let's continue. What I like about interactive brokers is that you have multiple ETFs options comparing to Degiro and others. You can have also Euro account. There are things which I don't like about interactive brokers is that their design of applications and design of mobile is not that good. So it's hard to navigate, it's hard to open account, it's hard to trade, in my opinion. That's just mine. If you would go with trading platform, it looks all right, but still it's not easy to use. But that's just my experience. Your experience can be different. What you can also do is open account in TradeStation Global. TradeStation Global is like Interactive Brokers is parent company of TradeStation Global. That you have access to all the ETFs and everything as Interactive Brokers. You can use different trading platform or the same as Interactive Brokers, but you're not going to pay the inactivity fee, which is those $20 and $10 under 100K. If I would have more than 100K, I would definitely choose interactive brokers. So it's on the stock exchange, regulated by top tier financial authorities. It's really safe. And I would recommend going interactive brokers if you want to be the safest as you can be. You can go also with like Saxo Bank and also Swissquote, but the fees on ETFs are high in my opinion. And I would go like this. So to summarize these whole reviews, I wouldn't use Etoro for buying ETFs in long term and or even in short term. The main factor is that it's like USD and not Euro. First trade is all right, but it's focused mainly on USD markets. Yes, you can open account there as a European, but still, first trade is a no-go for me. Now, trading 212 is a good broker. You can buy it for free. Also, Degiro is like free but not for free. That one trade per month. So if you want to invest, I don't know if you're a dentist or whatever, and you want to invest 500 euro monthly or 1,000 euro monthly or whatever, so it's a good choice too. It's like your preference that you want to choose. Now, if I would be up to 60, 70, 80,000 on a monthly basis, I would go probably with the interactive brokers now. That's good choice too. And also like just seek what is your taxation in your country, because in my country, in Slovakia, if I'm going to invest more than 1 year in one ETF, I'm not going to pay any like taxes on that. So that's huge. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. If you have any preference, like what you recommend do you choose, or if you see any mistakes I made in this video, I'll be really happy to improve, because everyone is learning. But yeah, if you want to also get rid of the inactivity fee, you can go with a PlayStation Global, and that's a way to do. So yeah, thank you very much everybody, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya guys, see ya.